The best processors for gaming in 2023. Part 1. In our guide series on the best processors, here is the latest update to our list of recommended gaming processors. 1. Intel Core i5-13400. 10 cores, 6P cores plus 4E cores, and 16 threads. Integrated Intel UHD graphics 770 included performance hybrid architecture integrates 2-core microarchitectures, prioritizing and distributing workloads to optimize performance, up to 4.6 GHz. 20M cache compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, NPC 5.0 and 4.0 support. Intel Optane memory support. Intel Amuner RH1 cooler included. 2. AMD Ryzen 5 7600. The processor features socket AM5 socket for installation on the PCB. Ryzen 5 product line processor for better reliability and ensure maximum productivity. 5nm process technology provides dependable processing speed with maximum efficiency. Hexa-core, 6-core, processor core helps processor process data in a dependable and timely manner with maximum productivity. 32 MB of L3 cache memory offers great system performance and avoids interruptions while executing complex and critical tasks. Processor with 3.80 GHz clock speed for quick and dependable processing of data to ensure maximum productivity comes with AMD Radeon graphics controller for stunning picture quality. 3. AMD Ryzen 7 7800 by 3D. Processor provides dependable and fast execution of tasks with maximum efficiency. Graphics frequency, 2200 MHz Ryzen 7 product line processor for better usability and increased efficiency. 5nm process technology for reliable performance with maximum productivity. Octa-core, 8-core, processor core allows multitasking with great reliability and fast processing speed. 8 MB L2 plus 96 MB L3 cache memory provides excellent hit rate and short access time, enabling improved system performance. Processor with 4.20 GHz clock speed for reliable and fast execution of instructions to ensure maximum convenience and feasibility comes with AMD Radeon graphics controller for amazing graphics output. 4. Intel Core i7-13700K. 13th General Intel Core processors offer revolutionary design for beyond real-world performance. From extreme multitasking, immersive streaming, and faster creating, do what you do. 16 cores, 8P cores plus 8E cores, and 24 threads up to 5.4 GHz unlocked. 30M cache integrated Intel UHD graphics 770 included. Compatible with Intel 600 series, might need BIOS update, and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. Performance hybrid architecture integrates 2-core microarchitectures, prioritizing and distributing workloads to optimize performance. Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, NPC 5.0 and 4.0 support. Intel Optane memory support. No thermal solution included. 5. AMD Ryzen 7 5800 by 3D. The world's fastest gaming desktop processor and first gaming processor with 3D stacking technology. 8 cores and 16 processing threads with AMD 3D V-Cache technology. 4.5 GHz max boost, 100 MB cache, DDR4 3200 support. For the advanced socket AM4 platform, can support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. Cooler not included, high performance cooler recommended. 6. AMD Ryzen 9 7950 by 3D. The socket AM5 socket allows processor to be placed on the PCB without soldering. Ryzen 9 product line processor for better reliability and ensure maximum productivity. Hexa-core, 16-core, processor core efficiently handles data to ensure quicker transfer of information with maximum usability. 128 MB of L3 cache memory provides excellent hit rate and short access time, enabling improved system performance. Processor with 4.20 GHz clock speed for quick and dependable processing of data to ensure maximum productivity. Comes with AMD Radeon graphics controller for amazing graphics output.